How to make money online from home, a $500 weekly strategy. So want to earn money by taking surveys, polls, trying out products, and testing websites? Check out my favorite side earners, Survey Junkie, and get paid. So on this strategy on earning money from home, possibly a 500 weekly earnings, Amazon Mechanical Turk. So what is this Amazon Mechanical Turk? MTurk is a crowdsourcing marketplace that connects individuals and businesses known as requesters with a scalable workforce known as workers. So you will come in as workers. Requesters post jobs from as hits human intelligence tasks that require human intelligence to complete, which on-demand workers can browse and complete to make money. So you are the workers here if you want to make money daily, and you will get paid on how many tasks you have done, unlimited task. So Amazon Mechanical Turk is a flexible, remote, and 100% online job opportunity for anyone who is at least 18 years old to get paid and has a computing device connected to the internet. So you can work from home and you need only a computer, a desktop, or laptop. So how much money can I expect to make? Being on the site at the right time when plenty of tasks are available is important to increase your earnings. Of course, it is possible to earn more than 100 a week, as many people are making more than 500 a month or weekly on the Amazon Turk website. But if you have busy life, even earning $20 per week sounds pretty nice. Extra cash that can really add up. So now we will go to Amazon Mechanical Turk. So now, once you are in the site of mturk.com, you will need to create an account to become a worker. Or if you like, you can also request for a specific work. You will post the work under our workers. But on our case, we are the workers. So now we will get the Amazon Turk account and sign up. So create your Amazon account before signing up. So just put your name, email, password, and re-enter the password and create your Amazon account. You will just verify the email address and a link that is sent by MTurk. Just click the link and now you are ready to go and complete and select task and earn a passive 100 to 500 weekly earnings. So good luck. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on this channel for more how to make money tips. Thank you.